All right, today we're going to show you how to use our new skimmer calculator tool. So first thing you want to do is go to our website. That's RyMarWaterworks.com. When you get there, you can go here to the Marlee Float, come down to the sizing calculator, click on that. It'll bring up this web page. So first thing you want to do is enter your basin name if you have one. So I'm just going to use basin A as our example. The cool thing we have now is we have states identified in here that will fill in information for you. So we've got a number of states. We're talking about Texas and Georgia this week. So I'm going to select Texas for this example. When I do that, it fills in the required cubic foot per acre based on Texas requirements. It also fills in the minimum and maximum time to drain based on Texas requirements. For example, if I chose, let's go to North Carolina, it changes that to their required cubic feet per acre and their min and max. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Texas. So now, if you know your acreage and you haven't calculated your pond volume yet, you can just enter your number of acres. If you have already calculated the volume that's supposed to be going to your pond, you can enter that manually. So let's just say I had 12 acres. Okay, going in, so now that's 43,200 cubic feet. Or if I just knew that, I could plug that in. If for some reason I wanted to change the time to drain, I could just manually come in and say I want to do 2 to 3 days instead of the 1.5 to 3. When you do that, it's going to tell you what skimmers meet those requirements down here. So you could pick that. Again, if I went back to 1.5, it gives me a few more options, at least one more option there. And then based on the one that I want to use, let's say I wanted to use our 4-inch with a 3.5-inch orifice, drain in 2 days. Click on PDF, and it'll generate this PDF detail for you. Click on the download button. It'll save that to your computer. So pretty simple now to create that detail. Really neat thing is this state selection. So for you engineers that do work in a lot of different states, maybe you're assuming the state's, cubic feet per acre is one thing. This is a little quick check for you. And we've worked hard to make sure that's accurate based on state requirements. So hopefully you find this useful. Thanks.